This lady is eating a very strange snack. She has a plate of limes and salt. She dips a lime in salt and eats it. She looks like she is enjoying it. Her husband walks into the room. He sees her eating the strange snack. He is very curious and sits down. He watches her eat another piece. The husband decides to try it too. But his reaction is priceless.
First, if you have a mom who would do anything for you, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you truly love her, drop a heart emoji in the comments. And share this with your friends to show how much you care.
The husband takes a lime from the plate. He dips it in the salt, just like she did. He takes a big bite. But his face completely changes. It is too sour.